tricked you, eh? Nah, we're still in the middle of the mountains. What's mixin' lovely people? Hope y'all are doing good. Welcome back to this channel, Culinary and Mixology by Eliano Khoury. Now to start, I just want to clarify that this is not a mouse. This is just a wind protection microphone because I'll be filming today outside. Now, I'll be taking you on a tropical journey. We'll be doing the tequila sunrise, which is made up of three main ingredients: the tequila, the grenadine, and orange juice. For the people who are not familiar with what grenadine is, it's pomegranate syrup. We'll be doing 45 milliliters or an ounce and a half of tequila, 15 milliliters or half an ounce of grenadine, 60 milliliters or 3 ounces of orange juice. Now my take on this drink, because I don't like my cocktails to be too sweet, so I'm gonna put a little bit less of orange juice and instead replace it with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to lower the sweetness and give it some acidic complexity. You know what I mean. It's like just to enhance the flavor. Hold on. We'll all be on a vacation, sitting by the pool, by the beach. You'll take the first sip. You'll be like, damn, bartender, keep them coming. Well, it shouldn't be that case because, guys, be careful. In each cup, we've got around 45 milliliters of alcohol, of tequila. So, and with the sweetness, with all the sugar, it's gonna hit differently. It's gonna be heavy. So I know you guys are on a vacation and you're supposed to relax, but you don't want to be all drunk and, you know, mess up your holiday and be hungover the next day. So drink responsibly. Alright guys, so you know what time it is. Let's give it a try. Wow. The flour smells so good. And I've got this small lemon slice here, lemon wedge. So as soon as I try to take a sip, like that, my nose is full of the smell, like the citrus the citrus smell, And the smell from here, from the flower, it's all beautiful. Like, I'm still where I am, but I feel like I'm on a tropical island, which is amazing, right? Isn't it? Alright guys, so this way we've reached the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave me a like. And if you try it, leave me a comment in the section below. And if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe. And make sure you guys to follow us on social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. I'll leave all the links down below. And also the recipe is down below. Stay connected, stay happy, enjoy this life. Peace.